This is an unboxing video on the M85P. Just got it in today. I opened it already, but I haven't done anything. I just ripped off the little plastic part that comes on there. It comes with a red dot sight. Looks pretty cool. I don't know what this is. I haven't checked it. Looks like some laser or flashlight. I don't know how that looks yet. I had one of these in the past. It shoots pretty good. Comes with an adjustable stop. It's pretty big. It's about like 2 feet long, two and a half. With the little sash thing that you put around your neck or something to hold it. The charger. That it takes up to like 3 hours to charge. Some BBs. And I think this is a foregrip. Yeah, it's a foregrip. I think it attaches like right here or something. Somewhere over here. It's got a little tool, mini screwdriver, and some screws. Batteries. Supercell batteries. I was hoping that they were rechargeables, but looks like not. What is this? I don't know what this is. Or this either. I don't know, but that's it for the video. It shoots up to 100 yards. It has its own little semi-auto, like safety, semi-auto, and full auto. And that's it. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and goodbye.